Guys, ayan, bumili ako ng gulay. Dumaan ako kanina sa palengke. Kasi yun ang pinakamalaking palengke dito sa amin at saka mas mura doon. Ayan. Yan lahat. Pinamili ko dito lahat. Yan, nasa 200 plus na. So, I buy this one for our breakfast with eggs. Gaganda. Bumili na ako sa Sapote. Bumili na ako ng para dito sa bahay kasi tomorrow I'm going back home to my work because on Monday I have duty, so I have today and tomorrow morning stay at home. And this is one for potato. Is tomato. Mura ang kilo nito. Nasa 25 pesos. Dito sa amin, mahal na ito. Nasa 50 na yan ang kilo dito sa talipapa namin. So, I buy already. Tuwing Saturday ako umuwi guys sa bahay after my work. Bili na ako ng kailangan nila dito dahil sila na iiwan dito sa bahay. Panmanwik, sibuyas. Medyo mahal-mahal ang sibuyas ngayon. Pinamagkano ata? 70 yata ang kilo doon. 70 ang kilo. So, I don't know how this is all. Half kilo I buy. And this is a garlic. Garlic is 70 kilo. So, I buy half. I don't know how much this one. I only put in the plastic and then I tell to the how much all my vegetable. So I buy in the big market because our market here is a little bit expensive. So I buy for the veggies for the use here in the house. So this is, I don't know how to call this in other. This is sayote. Ayan guys, ang mahal talaga ng mga gulay ngayon. Pero yung at least doon sa Sapote, at least mayroon silang gagamitin na gulay yan guys. Ayan, lahat nasa 200, I think is 270 something. So ito na, lahat na yan. At least yan, pag dito na yan sa amin, around 500 na ito yata. Yan ha, gulay pa lang yan. The eggplant, I don't know how much the kilo. The kilo around 50. I think 50 pesos. So I buy, I don't know how much this. So I enjoy buying vegetable in the market because that the market is a very far from our place. And this is our ginger. She want to cook this one. She want to eat this one. Come here. Oh, I miss my dog. Ayan. You can see me only Saturday and Sunday. They don't give the fresh because I feed my dog fresh vegetable. After I take the what? I'll take bath. Oh, I miss my Jandy. Oh, are you here? You eat fresh vegetable. They did not give. They don't give you. They don't give the fresh. Only me can feed my my dog like this because I live here my dog with my brother. Oh, no more. Oh, my dog is miss the fresh vegetable because I'm not here for 2 weeks, so I lala mama, lala. Yan, ayan, no more na. Yeah, my brother will cook today. He will cook the, what is this? Pansit Canton. He will cook. My brother is good cooking in the house. He's the one cooking in our house, so I am the one only buy the foods, to buy the veggies, and then those vegetable I buy from the market early morning. I already. What? Oh, namimiss ng bibi. My dog, namimiss niya. Oy, namimiss niya yung ano. Kasi nasasanay kasi sa akin na alam mo yung ako ang nabibigay ng kanyang pagkain. Fresh vegetable every morning. If I have stuck in the ref, I'll give to my dog. So now I'm here only 2 days. I rest for a while and let's go back to the work on Monday. So I will see. She want to eat also. This one is a garbage. Oh. Yeah, Janti, you eat too much vegetable today because Mama Annie is here. Mama is here. That's why. I see. I keep this one. Yeah. You see, guys, my dog is a very vegetarian, so I miss my dog while I'm on work. I miss my dog here in the house because I feed sometimes I feed the fresh vegetables because she loves to eat the vegetable fresh.
Diyan na siya.
Ay, balagay doon sa doon.
Oo.